Hey everyone, welcome back to Nico Decodies. Wall Street isn't coming for your money with guns and masks. They're coming with PowerPoint decks, fancy terms, and exclusive opportunities that look too good to be true. And right now in 2026, these scams are working better than ever. Today I'm breaking down the 6 most brilliant Wall Street scams that are quietly draining retail portfolios, explained in plain English with zero jargon and zero mercy. Stick around for all 6 because the last one is the one nobody talks about, and it might already be in your brokerage account. Look, I used to sit on a bank trading desk, so I've seen these scams from the inside. Retail investors poured billions into hot tips last year, while the smart money quietly exited. The SEC catches the obvious ones. The brilliant ones, they're completely legal and far more dangerous. We're going to walk through each scam, how it works, who gets hurt, and the simple trick to avoid it. Let's start with the one you've probably already fallen for. Number 1. Pump and Dump 2.0. Wall Street 2.0 version uses influencers, Discord groups, and paid research reports. They quietly buy a tiny stock, hype it on TikTok and Reddit as the next big thing, you FOMO in at the peak. Then they dump their bags on your head. Meet Carl. Carl bought the latest AI meme stock after a famous trader tweeted, "This changes everything." Up 300% in 3 days, then down 85% in 2. Carl is still holding the bag. Why it's brilliant? It's not even illegal if they call it opinion. How to spot it? If a stock is being shilled everywhere at once, the pump is already over. Scam number 2. The Options Casino. 0 days to expiration options are now 50% of daily volume. Wall Street sells you the dream of turning $1,000 into $100,000 overnight. They collect the premium while you chase gamma squeezes. Statistically, 85% of 0 DTE buyers lose money. Meet Bob again, except this time he's gambling weekly paychecks on calls because a YouTube thumbnail said guaranteed. Why it's brilliant. The house edge is hidden in volatility decay. How to avoid it. If your broker's app makes options trading look like a video game, close the tab. Scam number 3. Private credit, the shadow banking monster. Banks offload risky corporate loans to private credit funds, promising 12–15% yields. Sounds amazing. Until the borrower defaults and your money disappears behind a 7-year lockup. These funds are now bigger than the entire junk bond market. Meet Sarah the teacher. She moved her retirement into a stable income private credit ETF because the advisor said it was safer than stocks. Last quarter, the fund froze redemptions. Why it's brilliant. 0 daily pricing, 0 transparency. Red flag. If you can't sell it tomorrow, it's not an investment, it's a trap. Scam number 4. The Guaranteed Structured Product. Banks sell you notes that promise capital protection plus market upside. Fine print. You get the upside only if nothing bad happens, and the bank keeps most of the real return. In 2025 alone, over $400 billion were sold. Most investors still don't understand they're lending money to the bank at below market rates. Why it's brilliant. The word guaranteed makes retail stop reading. Rule of thumb. If a product needs 40 pages of disclosure, it's not simple and it's not for you. Scam number 5. High-frequency trading and dark pools. Your order to buy 100 shares of Apple gets seen by supercomputers that front-run you by milliseconds, pocketing fractions of a penny thousands of times per second. Legal. Extremely profitable. Retail pays the spread while institutions trade in secret dark pools where prices are better. Why it's brilliant. You never see it happening. Fix. Use limit orders and trade only during the first or last 30 minutes when liquidity is highest. Final scam, and the sneakiest. Fake alpha newsletters and signals. Wall Street Quant sells you monthly stock picks for $99 a month. The fine print, past performance is fake, and the guy is actually long the stocks before he emails you. Thousands of these newsletters exist in 2026. Almost none beat the S&P 500 after fees. Why it's brilliant. They sell hope, not performance. One question to ask. If their system really worked, why are they selling it to you for $99 instead of managing billions? So what's the real takeaway? Wall Street's most brilliant scams aren't the illegal ones. They're the legal ones that feel sophisticated. The best protection is boring, low-cost index funds, clear rules, and never investing in anything you can't explain in one sentence to a 10-year-old. If you want my exact scam-proof portfolio template plus the monthly macro report that actually calls this stuff out early, click the link in the description and join the Nico Decodes newsletter. It's free. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm just an ex-banker drawing cartoons about the games they play. Drop in the comments which scam surprised you the most. I read every single one. See you in the next video.